It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol SINO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. While this may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Unless you've been living under a rock, you know that the shipping companies have been booming. So, and a lot of charts like this have just crazy price movements. So a lot of people asking about them, rightfully so. So let's get some levels of support and resistance mapped out. We'll first start with some areas of support and the ideal area of support, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? If the price can continue to hold above $5.50 like it's been doing, that would be the best case scenario. You can see quite a few times, the bears did try to press down through there, but the bulls did a fantastic job of holding essentially all late morning and then the remainder of the afternoon, strong. So 550, I'm not saying it's a must-hold level, so it's not like if the price drops below there, I'm saying everything's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, preferably speaking, like I said, what would make it look the best? 550 would be that level. If the price cannot hold above $5.50, then keep an eye on right around $5, $4.90, whatever you want to call it. So these will be the two near-term levels of support. Overall level of support, and I realize it's totally irrelevant right now, is that purple line down there. That is the 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that level is going to continue to move its way upwards and get more and more relevant. Really, the easy black and white way to look at that is as long as the price is above that purple line, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, however you can best visualize that, but that's essentially what that moving average is representing. Now for levels of resistance. Before I forget that, I do want to note that, the final 30 minutes were quite nice. Not gigantic volume, but you can see volume, did start to increase. But when you look up here at the candle that formed, a good green candle, so it closed very strong during the final 30 minutes, which kind of begs the question, is this a start of, more continuation of craziness tomorrow? So let's map out a couple areas of resistance. First area is just kind of where right up there at about $6.85. And then after 685, it's really just as simple as where the party, stopped today, and the party stopped up there at $7 and wait, what did I saw? Is that high? Yeah, so that makes it easy. 685 and then 785, next two levels of resistance. So, but before we talk about, doing battle with these previous highs over here, I realize that's always a fun thing to talk about. First got to cross other bridges, and the initial bridge right there at 685. So these ones have been very interesting to watch it. So we'll see how this all unfolds tomorrow. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.